Hi guys, I'm Hollifer. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I used a range of Catrice Cosmetics products to create this copper tone smoky eye that's perfect to wear out on New Year's Eve. Catrice have recently come out with two new Pro Slim eyeshadow palettes called Neon Earth and Next Gen Nudes. Both palettes contain a range of highly pigmented, creamy metallics, soft mattes and satin shimmers. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be using the Neon Earth palette. First of all, I'm prepping my skin with the Prime and Fine Anti-Red Primer. As well as being vegan, this green primer uses hemp oil to calm, hydrate and balance any redness of the skin whilst also prolonging makeup wear time. The next step is foundation, and I am using Catrice's HD Liquid Coverage Foundation in the shade Light Beige. It has a lightweight and mattifying formula that wears up to 24 hours whilst also having a non-oily texture that feels like a second skin. To conceal my under eyes, I am using the Instant Awake Concealer in the shade Neutral Fair. This concealer has a hydrating long wear formula with medium to buildable coverage. To bring some colour back into my complexion, I am using the Romantic Gardens Everyday Face and Cheek palette for blush and highlight. From the palette, I used the matte blush and the shimmering highlighter. Something I think is amazing about Catrice Cosmetics is that 80% of their products are vegan, and they're also cruelty-free and certified by PETA. Moving on to brows, I started with the medium to dark Professional Brow Palette. This Pro palette consists of 6 highly pigmented eyebrow powders, 2 highlighters and a wax to prep and tame the brows into place. To give my brows some extra definition, I applied a light coat of the Brow Colorist Semi-Permanent Brow Mascara. For the eyes, I have started off by packing on and blending out the shade Desert from the Neon Earth palette on my outer corners. Next, I am taking this beautiful burnt orange shade called Heat Wave and running it through my crease. Now I'm using the shade Eclipse, a rich brown, to define and deepen my outer corners. To brighten my inner corners and highlight my brow bone, I'm applying this beautiful champagne toned shimmer eyeshadow called Lightning. Next, I'm applying this intense metallic liquid shadow in Fearless all over the mobile lid, making sure to blend it out towards the edges. This vegan formula is waterproof and rich in pigment, making it the perfect base for the next step. Going back to the Neon Earth palette, I'm taking this gorgeous creamy metallic copper shade called Solar Flare and packing it on top of the liquid eyeshadow. To make my lashes appear fuller, I'm applying a thin line of the Brush Ink Tattoo Liner to my upper lid. The pen has over 270 bristles, making it extremely easy to get a precise and even application. The last step for the eyes is mascara. I'm using the Iconista Lash Millionizer Waterproof Volume Mascara. I've paired this copper eye look with a rich cranberry toned lip. I used one of Catrice's full satin lipsticks in the shade Full of Power. These cream lipsticks feel light on the lips whilst also having a high colour payoff. And here we have the finished look. Don't forget to like the video and leave a comment down below letting us know what you think. And for more Catrice Cosmetics content and to keep updated, don't forget to subscribe.